Welcome to a day in my life as a jewelry designer in El Paso, Texas. So before getting to the studio, I need to make a stop at Starbucks, got my strawberry acai lemonade, and I am so excited to create designs today. I am at the Cimarron Plaza area, right inside the Sola Salon Suites. You can customize any design at our studio. We also do engraving, and it's a busy day today, so I'll show you around. Hi guys, so I just arrived to the studio. I have a few appointments today. I wanted to show you the outfit of the day. I'm wearing these black pants with these like brown high heels and this denim shirt that I really like. It's like a little bit loose at the bottom with some bows. So yeah, this is the outfit for today. I'll show you all the designs I create today. First up, we had a mommy and me appointment with a semi-precious stone bracelet, gold-filled bracelet, and a rose gold. I absolutely love these designs. I also did another semi-precious stone, another gold bracelet, and a seasonal bracelet with a clasp. We also offer a clasp if you cannot wear permanent jewelry. And this last bracelet, gold filled with a few connector charms and some custom engraved hearts. It's just absolutely beautiful. One of my favorite pieces. Right after that, it started raining super hard. And as you guys know, if you are from El Paso, weather has been crazy and unpredictable lately. So while I waited for the little storm to pass, I wanted to get a gemstone bracelet for myself. So I started to make one. It's a super popular design and it's absolutely one of my favorites. So I decided to just make one for myself because I've been doing them a lot this week. So it's a little bit hard to do it on myself, but this is a great hack using the side of the table to close the jump ring and just welding it on. And this is how it turned out. I am absolutely obsessed. We specialize in unique designs for permanent jewelry. So I just got done with my last appointment and I wanted to touch on something that I have been talking about a little bit here and there. It's about the permanent jewelry training that I'm going to be offering here in El Paso. If you have been interested in starting your own business for permanent jewelry, I am going to have a training. It's going to be an in-person training. If you are interested, if you already have a business and you want to add permanent jewelry to your business, it's a great opportunity. I'll be teaching that class, and that class will be available around October timeframe. We just need to get some details finished. I just had a meeting with Sunstone, which is a company that does all the welders that we use for permanent jewelry, and we're going to be offering a really nice discount for you guys to start and get your machine. That way you can do the training with your machine. There'll be a training in English and another one in Spanish, so if you know anyone that's interested and wants to do a Spanish class, we'll be offering that as well. So if you're interested in either learning about permanent jewelry or getting permanent jewelry, I invite you to message me. I would love to create a design for you. We specialize in jewelry design. So we do permanent jewelry. We have an engraving machine where we can customize your design. You take your time designing your piece, which I try to offer something that is so unique. And I would love to create that piece for you. If you have any other questions, feel free to message me. Hey guys, so I've been getting a lot of questions about permanent jewelry and how I got started and if I offer any type of training for permanent jewelry. I'm so excited to announce that I'm currently working on that training. Should be available around fall time, maybe October. We're not sure on the release date yet, but I know a lot of you have messaged me that you are interested in starting your own permanent jewelry business. Permanent jewelry is more than a trend. It is a booming opportunity for you to create extra income. If you already have a business, you can add permanent jewelry to your boutique or to your nail salon. So I'll be offering a training that is going to be super limited. I have just a few spots that will be available. So if you are interested, I encourage you to send me a message, and that way we can get started on setting a date. You can message me here through TikTok or through Instagram. Hello guys, I'm at the studio today, and in celebration of Taylor Swift's engagement, I'm creating this Eras Tour permanent bracelet, so let's do that together. So these are all the connector charms. Each one represents an album. So the only thing I need to do is pick a chain out of these here. I feel like this one would be perfect. So before welding it on my wrist, I need to make sure that every connector charm is welded. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And then the last step would just be to weld it on my wrist. And if you do permanent jewelry as well, and it's so hard to do it on yourself, but this is a hack I found. It's the easiest way to put it on yourself, just using the side of a table to close the jump ring. The final step would be just to weld it on our wrists, and the piece should be complete. This is how it turned out. I absolutely love it. All the sparkle, all the colors is just such a great statement piece. If you're a Swiftie and you want to recreate something like this, or you want to add different charms, let me know. I would love to create that for you. As always, if you want to create your own piece, make sure you send me a message and we can schedule your personalized design session here in El Paso, Texas. We also do custom online orders. Hi guys, welcome to a day in the life of a jewelry designer in El Paso, Texas. I wanted to share more information about the studio and how you can create your customized piece. We just launched our fall collection. We have different chains and charms available, so I'll bring you along during the day so you can see the designs I create. So before the appointments, let me kind of give you a tour of the studio. I do have my welding machine right here. I do permanent jewelry. I also have an engraving machine that we can customize any design. We can engrave your name or any other phrase on your design. And then I also offer some crystals. A lot of people don't notice them when they come in just because they're on this shelf over here. I'll show you. So I do have some crystals if you are a crystal lover. And then I also have a sitting area here in case you want to have a girls' day appointment, a bestie appointment. You guys can come in and create your designs. Let me give you a tour of the building. So as you can tell, these are all the suites inside the Sola salons. And my suite is number 19 right there. But let me show you where you come in. So the Sola salons are right across from Union Draft House. And this is the main entrance. You can see how beautiful the building is. And we do have a sitting area right here. And some information about who is in this building. There's a lot of hairstylists, barbers. So if you guys are interested in getting any of these services, we can set up an appointment. These are some of the seasonal chains that you can find at the studio. So these you can stack with your forever bracelets. And we also have gold-filled options and stainless steel, sterling silver, rose gold. And of course the birthstone of the month, as well as the flower of the month. So these are some of the designs I created. This one's a gold-filled bracelet with some charms. We also do anklets, and we can mix metals. You can do gold and rose gold or silver and gold. We offer so many different design options and chains that you can pick from. So we also have colorful chains. And don't forget, we also offer some waist chains. They are such a popular statement piece. We also have the fall and Halloween charms available to customize your design for the season. So if you are interested, make sure you send us a message and we can schedule your personalized design session. If you're in El Paso and you love jewelry, I invite you over to my jewelry studio here in the Cimarron area where you can create your personalized design. We have just launched our fall and Halloween designs. You guys are gonna love them. Let me show you a few. At the studio, you can choose your charm. We have different designs. We have for Halloween and also some fall designs. So you can personalize your jewelry piece. We have different chains available for the season. So if you are interested, make sure you send us a message so we can book that personalized design session.